Embarking on a journey of faith and Christian living can be one of the most fulfilling decisions of your life. As you start studying the Bible, you'll find it gradually transforming your everyday existence. Here are some steps and insights that can help you transition from mere Bible study to living a faith-filled life. Finding the right motivation. Initially, your Bible study might begin out of curiosity. You may be intrigued by the wisdom and historical significance of the Scriptures. However, as you delve deeper, you'll realize that the Bible is not just a historical document but a guide for living a meaningful and purposeful life. The first step in this journey is understanding why you want to study the Bible. Is it to find answers to life's big questions, to seek comfort during tough times, or to discover God's purpose for you? Identifying your motivation will keep you focused and driven. Consistent study and application. One of the most crucial aspects of Bible study is consistency. Set aside time each day to read and reflect on the Scriptures. Utilizing daily texts and Bible reading schedules can be incredibly helpful, but reading alone is not enough. It's important to meditate on what you read and think about how it applies to your life. For example, Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6 teaches, "Trust in Jehovah with all your heart, and do not rely on your own understanding. In all your ways take notice of him, and he will make your paths straight." Applying this principle can help you navigate life's uncertainties with confidence. Embracing prayer. Prayer should become a cornerstone of your daily routine. It's a direct line of communication with God, where you can express your worries, seek guidance, and give thanks. Initially, you might struggle with what to say, but over time, you'll learn that prayer is not about perfect words but sincerity. Jesus' model prayer in Matthew 6 verses 9 to 13 provides a framework that you can adapt to your personal circumstances. It begins, "Our Father in the heavens, let your name be sanctified. Let your kingdom come. Let your will take place, as in heaven, also on earth." Joining a faith community. Engaging with a community of like-minded individuals is vital. Attending meetings and participating in congregational activities provides support and encouragement. These gatherings are opportunities to learn from others' experiences and to gain deeper insights into the Bible. If physical attendance isn't possible, online meetings can be a wonderful alternative. Practicing Christian qualities. Living a faith-filled life means embodying Christian qualities such as love, kindness, humility, and patience. Real change comes from within, influenced by regular Bible study and prayer. Ephesians 4 verses 22 to 24 advises, "You were taught to put away the old personality that conforms to your former course of conduct and that is being corrupted according to its deceptive desires. And you should continue to be made new in your dominant mental attitude, and should put on the new personality that was created according to God's will in true righteousness and loyalty." Start small, focusing on being more patient and forgiving, and gradually, these qualities will become a natural part of your character. Sharing your faith. One of the most fulfilling aspects of your journey will be sharing your faith with others. Whether through casual conversations, distributing literature, or participating in ministry, sharing what you've learned reinforces your beliefs and brings immense joy. Practical tips and scenarios can help you become an effective communicator of your faith. Continuous growth. Lastly, recognize that living a faith-filled life is an ongoing process. There's always more to learn and areas to grow in. Regularly reassessing your spiritual goals and seeking God's guidance will keep your faith dynamic and alive. In conclusion, transitioning from Bible study to Christian living is a transformative journey. With dedication, prayer, community support, and a heart open to change, living a faith-filled life is not only achievable but deeply rewarding. Embrace the resources available to you and embark on this path with confidence and joy. May Jehovah bless and keep you always.